Appointment setting is the bloodline of any sales team, but let's be honest, guys. It's also one of the most tedious part of your sales process. Your sales team spends on chasing leads, scheduling calls, and sending reminders and rescheduling appointments with your leads. This is one of the painstaking tasks every sales team has to go. And you know the drill. Most business don't realize how much time is wasted on their repetitive task, leaving their sales rep frustrated and that demoralizing the team morale. And in today's episode, I'm going to make a big statement because we are diving into a topic that can save you countless hours every single week by automating your appointment setting process with AI employees. Welcome back to Sell with AI, where we help business to increase sales conversion using insightful strategies and tips. We are on a mission to implement AI employees and build your own sales team inside your business. And right now, I'll walk you through exactly how I automated 90% of the sales process using AI employee, breaking it down step by step so you can see how it works and why it's game changing for your business. Whether you're in a real estate firm, coaching industries, or service based industries, you're a marketing agency, consulting agency, this system applies to all the industries, irrespective of you have a sales team or not. Okay, before starting this video, we need to understand why traditional appointment setting is such a pain for business. And we have identified four important reasons for that. The first is responding to the leads. When someone shows interest on your product or service, you have to respond very quickly with them when they fill the form or on the lead gen process what you have. But in most of the business, that doesn't happen fast enough. By the time you respond, the lead lost interest or move to your competitors. Now, I want to ask a very simple question. If a lead submit a form by Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or by any means, within how many minutes your sales team are reaching them to build the rapport? And this is very hard task for a sales team to reach all the leads within 5 to 10 minutes, right? Responding to leads is one of the painstaking tasks every sales team goes, and the next one would be coordinating schedules. Once you connect, there's the back and forth of finding a time that works for both parties. This can take hours or even days, especially with the busy schedules. Your sales team is busy, leads are busy, and the reschedule is common nowadays, and you have to reduce it to increase the revenue of your business. Moving to the next one, sending confirmations and reminder. After appointment is scheduled, you have to make sure the lead shows up. That means sending confirmation emails, reminders, and follow ups, and rescheduling the calls again and again, reaching to your prospect before the call. Most tedious process. And finally, the rescheduling no shows. If someone cancels or does not shows up, you're back to square one, starting the whole process again and again. Each of the steps eats up a valuable time and it's repetitive, and we need to accept it. This is not a best use of your team's energy. Your team should be focused on closing deals and generating money for you. Rather, they are just concentrating on non revenue generating tasks of following emails, appointment scheduling, prospecting, sending reminders, etc. The worst part is that when these tasks are done manually, things fall through the crack because lead does not get contacted quickly enough. Appointments are not confirmed properly, and no shows happen more often than they should be. And this is where your AI employee comes in and save you 20 plus hours of your sales team's work. They take over your repetitive and time consuming part of your appointment setting process so you and your sales team can focus on high value tasks like closing your deals rather spending on non revenue generating manual tasks. Let me walk you through how I have automated my 90% of my appointment setting process using AI employee for my AI agency. Let me start with how my AI employee responds to the leads instantly once a lead fills a form. So I use content marketing and meta ads to generate leads for my AI agency. So when a lead submit a form or sends a message to me in Instagram or LinkedIn, if they show interest on implementing AI employees for their business, so my AI employee reaches out with the leads within 2 to 5 minutes, where it calls directly with the lead or inquires about and directly qualifies them and then introduce itself as one of my team member. Post call, my AI employee sends the SMS, emails, and WhatsApp based on the conversation happened between the lead. My AI employee sends the follow up message to them. This instant response keeps the lead engaged and eliminate the chance of them losing interest or losing to your competitor. So this AI quick reactions allows me to save almost 25 hours of my every week's problem that I would have spent manually checking and responding to inquiries. Building on that, my AI employee helps me to qualify the leads because this is very crucial step. My AI employee qualifies the lead instantly because once the lead fills the form and before scheduling the appointment with my sales team, it's important to make sure the lead is currently a good fit for my business. My AI employee ask a few follow-up questions. I used to tune my AI employee, tell him to ask to the lead, like, about the budget. What's your budget on this project? And when are you looking to get started? What is the aim for the next quarters? And what is the biggest challenge you're facing right now in your business? These kind of basic questions my AI employee interacts with the lead, and based on the response, AI decides whether the lead is qualified or not. The qualified lead moves to the scheduled folder, while the unqualified leads are placed in the lead nurturing sequence, where I have a different AI employee where it nurtures that lead by email and WhatsApp notifications. This step is alone filters out the wastage of my lead, and my sales teams only spend time with a high potential prospect. Now, moving to the next is about scheduling magic. Once the lead is qualified, my AI employee moves on to the scheduling the appointment. So it syncs with my calendar in real time. So checking my availability and offering the lead 2 to 3 time slots to choose from the form. Just for example, if the lead is in a conversation with my AI employee, my AI employee reaches to the calendar and see what are the time availability, and AI employee responds that I see that, like Tuesday between 2 p.m. and Wednesday at 10 p.m. there is the available time slot for you prospect. Which one works for you? And once the lead confirms, AI books the appointment directly into my calendar. It also sends a confirmation message to the lead, making sure they know the details. This eliminate back and forth of trying to coordinate schedule manually, which is huge time saver for my business because my sales team don't want to wait for tomorrow to call the lead again to remind the call is happening on a specific date and time. This is very crucial for my business. One of the biggest frustration in appointment setting is no-shows. My AI employee solves this by sending automated reminder to leads before the meeting starts. Like, the day before the meeting, it sends a message, hey, prospect, just a quick reminder. We're going to have a call today at 4 p.m. And just come with pen and paper. We'll solve all the queries for your business. It also sends an automated message. This reminder drastically reduced no shows, keeping my calendar full and my pipeline moving. And of course, we have to accept that things don't always go according to the plan because sometimes leads have their own plans. Leads need to reschedule or cancel the appointment at the last minute. And my sales team, that means my AI employee, handles this very seamlessly. If a lead cancels, my AI employee immediately offers them a new time slot and reschedules the appointment. It also updates my calendar automatically so I don't have to lift a finger. So this ensures no opportunities are lost even when changes happen. So finally, let's talk on the data organizations. Every interaction is automatically logged in my CRM. That means AI employee automatically logs all the conversations, reschedules, scheduled appointments, time availability, lead nurturing sequence, all the form of manual work my AI employee does. This keeps everything organized from my end and ensures that I have full visibility into my pipeline without wasting time on manual data entry. So my sales team can able to concentrate on closing the deals where my AI employee will concentrate on doing all the painstaking works of non-revenue generating tasks. Okay, guys, we have come to the end of this episode, and here's the hard truth. Every day you spend stuck in a old ways of doing your sales process, you're losing leads and you're wasting time. Most importantly, you're leaving money on the table, and you know it, and your competitors know it too. But you don't have to keep struggling, because with AI employee in place, you can take back control of your sales process. Imagine responding to every lead instantly by an AI employee, booking more qualified calls, and slashing no show up in half, and freeing up your sales team to focus on what truly matters, that is closing your deals and generating revenue. The opportunity is here right now. Business that acts today will dominate tomorrow. 2025 is going to be the future of sales process. So here's what I want you to do. Stop waiting and stop losing leads and stop leaving money on the table. So we're going to offer you a free call with our team. There's a link in the description. Book a call with me today to see exactly how we can able to implement an AI employee in your business. Let's set this AI system for you, which eliminates inefficiencies, transform the way your sales team works permanently. Don't wait until your competitors take a lead. Take action now. Thanks for listening, guys. I'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, happy selling.